What's up, Conswalians? It is your girl Church Bay, aka Conswala. We are back for the video. So today I'm at Hobby Lobby. Okay, Conswalians, so what is the next? It's been a few days. My dad told me I had to leave that day, so I didn't want to get anything. But now I'm going back to Hobby Lobby again, and I'm gonna get the stuff that I just got. So now I have to remember the stuff I got, but luckily when we left I took a picture of some of the stuff I got, so I know exactly what I got. I'm making merch for my brother too, but I cannot find the right size hoodie for me in Hobby Lobby. They don't even have a small. And my size is an extra small, but I usually just get a small, and I can't find a small. So I'm just gonna go over in the front and ask them if they have my size. Hopefully they do. So I just asked them and they said that they don't have my size. Well, they don't have the size because they ran out. So luckily this isn't the only Hobby Lobby that's near us. So I'm probably just gonna pay for this stuff and then we're gonna go to another store. Hopefully if my parents let me, so we can find a hoodie my size. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so let me just tell you what happened. There was like a total change of plans. I ended up getting only just something for my brother. I got him a hoodie and red letters to put in his channel name for like his merch. So this is what happened, okay? I bought all of that stuff as you saw. And then I'm at a tight budget. Like I don't like paying anything with double digits. But like if I have to, then my main budget would be like $20. That's it. That's like as much as I'll pay if I want to pay for something. Okay, so I'm like doing all this. I'm like, man, this stuff is expensive. Like these letters are $8, $9. So I'm adding it all together, and I'm like, okay, it's probably gonna equal up to $30, but that's fine. $30 is fine. She goes, I go up to the cashier. She goes, boop boop boop, like pays for all the stuff. And she was like, that's $69?
No, because the thing is that the little piece things for every letter thing, I think it was $9.50. So I was just saying, multiply that by 5, $45. And so she was counting them. She put the quantity on there, and just the letters by itself were $45.
I know. I was so like, many. It's like 45.
Remember when I whispered to you, multiply that by 5, 45, and then you go, thank you. She gave me a lollipop.
Yes. So if you think about it, I bought
$69.
If you think about it,
69 cents.
If you think about it, I bought something for my brother and my sister, but I got nothing for myself. So she starts busting out laughing because she knows that I don't want to pay $6-7, and I probably don't even have that much money, to be honest. Like, okay, I probably do, but that's not the point. But I do not want to pay for all that. 67. So I was like, yeah, I kind of take some stuff off. So then it got all complicated. I had to take some stuff off, and then I took some stuff, and then since she canceled the whole order, I was like, you know what? Just take everything off, only for the stuff I got from my brother, and of course her 69-cent lollipop. So she was like, okay. So then she rings in, she was like, $17.45, and I was like, oh, okay. So I was gonna pay for that. Luckily, nobody was angry. Like everybody was all chill. They thought it was everyone thought it was funny, and tried over here busting out laughing. And yeah, that was my day in Hobby Lobby. Now I'm just gonna be making merch for my brother and surprising him with it. And right now we're at Urban Air because that's where he was. Yeah.
Okay, so obviously I'm back from Hobby Lobby and it is the next day. And right now I'm going to get the stuff that I used from Hobby Lobby to make the thing I wanted for my brother. So this is the stuff I got. I kind of used these already because we were making something else. I have this. And I have this hoodie for Saturday to wear. So yeah, I'm going to put the letters on this shirt, like on the top, for like his channel name. And then we're gonna see if he likes it or not. So these are iron-ons. My sister gave me this scarf, so I'm just gonna use this scarf as the fine cloth. I don't know how these settings work, so I'm going to plug this in and try to put it on cotton setting, which I'm pretty sure my mom did before. Oh, I'm supposed to put it on the cotton setting, approx 350 of follow garment care labels. I don't know what cotton, I don't know how to put on cotton, but I see a line, I'm just gonna do that. So hopefully that net cotton. There are no numbers for what temperature you're supposed to put it on. So I'm just gonna do that. And now I'm gonna put the letters on this shirt just so I can see what it looks like. Just finished this, as you see, and I can tell that there are some flaws, like there are some white parts on the ends, and I don't want Sarah's shirt to look like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some of the white parts off so it's more neat and more clean, so it looks better and not just like an amateur did it, because I'm an amateur at this and I don't want it to look like that. So I'm gonna get some scissors, cut it up neatly, and then we're gonna get to the ironing part. So I'll see you when that part gets together. I'll see you when that part happens. Okay, so I just finished cutting up and kneading out everything. I'm gonna plug in this iron back up. I'm gonna wait for it to heat up, and then we are going to iron this on. I'm really nervous because once I put it on, it's not coming off. And I already know where each one's going. I'm gonna have them line up with the pockets of the hoodie. I'm so nervous, oh my gosh. Okay, first one is about to happen. Okay, so I just put the first one on. Dude, is this thing okay? Hoodie says Legend, and it's lining up with the pockets. Right here is why the L starts here and the D starts here. So yeah, so now we're just gonna finish it up by putting power on there. So I'm gonna put it in between the spaces of the word of Legend. It actually fits perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna iron the power on here, and that's it, really. Okay, so I just finished all the letters. I'm about to iron all these one more time just to make sure they stay on here, and then we're gonna give it to my brother. Okay, I know the phone is tilted. This because my phone is charging and the cord isn't long enough to reach my LED light, but whatever. This is what his shirt looks like. As you can see, it says Legend Power. which is his YouTube channel name. I'll put his channel in the description if you want to subscribe to his channel. I think it looks pretty good. It's kind of slanted, but it's okay. Like, if I make a mistake, I could just practice it next time. Maybe next time I should use a ruler or something, but the good thing is I think it looks pretty good. If you like this hoodie, make sure to give this video a like, because I think I did a pretty good job as my first time doing this or doing something close to this. Like, I've made like clothes before, but I guess this is something different. So I think I did a pretty good job. So now we're gonna give this to my brother and see what he thinks. Okay guys, so right now my brother, he's talking about how he doesn't feel good, so hopefully this gift can make him feel better. Like, I know it won't help him like actually feel better, but like a gift from me will make him like just happier. Okay, stand right here. Stand right here. Okay, close your eyes. Are your eyes closed?
Yes.
Okay. Open. It's your channel name on your hoodie. Try it on. Do you like it?
It actually looks so good. Is it big?
No, not
Oh.
big.
We can wear that when you're cold. We'll see what other people think of it. Dad, do you want to see Sarah's shirt?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Let's show Mom and Treasure. Treasure, look at Sarah's sweater.
That's cool. Mom, it's beautiful. Your sister hooked you up. I love it. Good. That was really good.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. My brother really liked the hoodie, and my family approved of it too. They thought it was really good, especially my mom. So yeah, I worked really hard on that, and I'm glad that they liked it, even my brother. And also thank you for letting me hit over 30 of you guys, which I'm very excited about. Remember, our goal for this year is 50. So I know we can reach it because we reached 30. And if you want to keep up with my channel and make sure, like, if you want to get notified when I post or that, you can hit the notification bell so you can join the hashtag CCC Squad. And you can follow my Instagram, which will be in the description, so you know if I post a video or when I'll post it. So make sure to tell your friends about that. And make sure to subscribe to become a Conswalian, because we got to hit 50. Yeah. And hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and you like Sire's new sweatshirt.
Oh, I mean,
Make sure to share this video if you want to make some, if you think that this was a very educational video on how to iron this stuff.
and not just to brag your brother.
Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this DIY, I guess, if you want to call it that. Thank you guys
call it SIY.
so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Seriously.
Bye.
I'll see you guys next time.